Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
They're sliding off and I have to keep pushing it back. It's the big, tall glass door going into a shower. And the hinges measure 4 inches wide by, I believe it's 2. Let me just see here. It's 4 tall by 2 1/4. Just see the face plate that I can see is 2 1/4 by 4. Is this the front and back part? So I'm wondering, is that a standard size hinge for a glass shower door?
Luckily, you got technical support, not someone you've got to repeat it all to.
Oh.
It's a common size. I mean, is, about 19-inch the diameter of a steering wheel? Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, right.
So you need gaskets is why you're calling.
Yeah, I need gaskets, and one of the screws was stripped. So, I tried to tighten it, but I had stripped it. So I don't know if I back out the screw. So I did one of those reverse things that take out strip screws, and that's called like
extractor.
Screw extractor, right. So I got that screw out, and then I'm looking at it. Let me put it back in, and I thought I could just tighten it, but now I can't. So
right. I
think I need to get 1 or 2 more screws that are bronze, but then I don't know, how do I mail you the screw, or maybe see if you can. I can't find the name of the hinge manufacturer on this. That's why.
Sure. Yeah. There's, private labeling. It's all coming from overseas.
Right.
I can give you my email address. Email me a photograph of your hinge. I'll try to identify it, and then we'll determine not only the gasket, hopefully, without too much more effort, and then also you'll buy a package of screws. I think they're 8 in a pack is how they're sold.
All right.
But that's what'll get you headed in the right direction. So my email.
All right. I'll get a pen. Hold on.
Take your time.
I'll just type it in my notes. All right, hold on. Okay, I'm ready.
Sales, SALES.
Right.
At, now it's the same as the website, absupply.net. And
right.
my name is Richard.
AB as in boy?
Alpha Bravo, yes, sir. B as in boy.
absupply.net.
Yes, sir.
And your name, I'm sorry?
Richard.
Okay, Rich. Now, hold on a minute. You're in Naples, Florida, right?
Yes.
I used to live at Airport in Pine Ridge.
Oh, okay, sure. So, the shop is at Airport in Golden Gate. I live in Pelican Marsh, so.
Yeah, I used to live in Banyan Woods for about 10 years.
Yeah, I looked at a house in there a couple of years ago.
Yeah. I could have walked down there and grabbed them. But
you could have.
I'm up here in Philadelphia, yeah. All right, so sales at absupply.net, and you're Rich. Richard, you go by, right?
Oh, whatever.
All right, so I'll send you pictures right now. Is there a text I could just text them to you?
Nope. Company phone system, yeah.
Okay. Sales at absupply.net.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll send that over to you right away, and I'll type in the measurement.
So how do you know you need a gasket?
Well, there's black stuff all over the floor, and the gasket looks like it's sticking out a little bit. It looks like it's crumbling, getting kind of like hard plastic. I'm able to pick at it, and it's dropping out from the hinge, all around the edges of the hinge. It's looks like it's turned into plastic or something.
Has your door moved at all?
Yeah, the door has moved, so it's touching. I had to put a rag up there. I'll take a picture of it and show you. I've had to put a rag because the bottom's okay, but the top is touching the other piece of glass.
Yeah,
so
right on. So a dangerous scenario in the sense that it'll continue to creep. obviously. There should be what's called a mouse ear preparation that will physically prevent the glass from sliding out completely while, let's say, your wife is using it. But you don't want to nick that edge of glass at all. And, yeah, send me the photographs, and we'll get to work on it immediately.
All right, well, I'm putting a dishcloth or a wash rag between the edge of the one piece of glass at the top so it doesn't hang in there. All right, I'll send it over to you right away, Rich.
Cool. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.